ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Bali yet again. This seems to be the only place I go because, well, it is the only place I go.
Dude, does it just suck being you?
What we're doing today is we're going to be testing the waterproofness of my new gimbal here, the FeiyuTech G6. And to do so, we're going to head on down to Waterbom, Asia's #1 water park. Here in beautiful Bali. As you can see though, it's not very sunny today. I hope that means it keeps the crowds away. We'll see how we go with footage. We're going to be testing, yes, this new waterproof gimbal. And of course, I got my trusty GoPro Fusion with me as well. We get some cool 360 footage too. You know what, let's just skip straight to the water park. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to switch to the GoPro Fusion for this first part of the video. I'm now in the park. Everything else is going in this locker. Okay, so a bit of Fusion footage for the next hour or so. An hour for me, probably about 2 minutes for you. Let's do it. So that was pretty sweet. I reckon the Fusion footage was pretty good. What I'm going to do now is test this FeiyuTech G6 waterproof gimbal. I'm going to take the mic off so the audio won't be as good, but let's go do it. Alright, let's see how this gimbal goes in water and speed. Sick. why.
Where's your girlfriend?
I have no friend.
Oh, you don't have?
No, I don't have no friends. Okay guys, bad news. I've actually lost the wristband that unlocks my locker with all of my stuff in it. So now I'm going to retrace my steps and hope that nobody's just taken it. Oh, damn.
One eternity later.
Okay, fingers crossed this is mine. Alrighty guys, well that's it for Waterbom. So the waterproof testing on this camera I think held up very well. I was able to take it on a few rides and I was able to go on the obviously lazy river. Had water splashing all over this thing, getting it drenched, but obviously it didn't do too well with the speed. Hey buddy. So this wasn't really a test for this gimbal about how well it deals with the quick corners of a water slide. It's more so dealing with, can I get this thing wet and can it still work? Well, right now it's on again, it's still working, it's still, you know, the motors are still going, I'm putting it around like that. So yes, the FeiyuTech G6 gimbal with the GoPro combo is the perfect waterproof solution. Hope you enjoyed this park as much as I did. And that's this Waterbom Bali. That's it from me for this one. Probably a quick one today. It's just pretty much to show off the ability of this gimbal and also a bit of GoPro Fusion footage because I love my GoPro Fusion footage now. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. You know the usual things, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And I will see you in the next one. I think I might be in Bali again. Yeah, every week. That's not a complaint, I love it. Alright guys, catch you next time.